Hello friends, my name is Sourabh Shrivastava and welcome to my channel RSK-Code Tutorials. I hope you watched my previous videos on JUnit 4 series. If not, please watch, like, comment and share. Also let me know in comments your feedback or any topic which I missed. I will try to cover that also. So in this new series, let's talk about JUnit 5 in JUnit framework. JUnit 5 is the next generation of JUnit. It focuses more on Java 8 and our version of Java. It consists of following modules. JUnit 5 has JUnit Platform, JUnit Jupyter, JUnit Vintage. JUnit Platform provides the platform to launch test frameworks on JVM. JUnit Jupyter provides all the annotations, all the libraries for the framework, which we can use for running our test cases. JUnit Vintage provides supports for JUnit 3 and JUnit 4. So that means we can run JUnit 3 test cases and JUnit 4 test cases in JUnit 5 also. So let's see what are the annotations are given by JUnit 5. So here you can see Unit 4 has given some annotations. Those are upgraded in Unit 5. So for example, at the rate test is now at the rate test. So this method denotes that a method is a test method. So the difference is are related to the package of these annotations. In JUnit 4, it was coming from JUnit library, and in JUnit 5, it's coming from Jupyter library. At the rate before is known as now at the rate before each in JUnit. It denotes that a method will run before each test methods. At the rate after is now after each. It denotes that method will run after each test methods. Before class is known as before all. It denotes that a method will run before all test methods. After class is known as after all. It denotes that a method will run after all test methods. In JUnit 4, we have at the rate category. Now it is known as in JUnit 5 at the rate tag. So this, whenever we declare on a class or a method, it used to filter test based on our tags. So we need to provide some input in tag. We will see in the implementation also how to use tag. In JUnit 4, we have at the rate ignore, which help to ignore the test case. In JUnit 5, it is now as known as at the rate disabled. And a few more new annotations like at the rate timeout, display name, nested, test factory, which were not present in JUnit 4. Timeout is used to fail a test if its execution fail uh, after a given time. Display name used to display custom name for the test class or method. We can give a now custom name. If we do not want to give a test method name, we can give a custom name with the help of display name. At the rate nested help in creating the nested uh, test. This feature is something related to Java 8 anonymous classes. At the rate test factory is used for creating dynamic tests. We will see with example how to use these new annotations also.